Today, I'll show you the fastest and simplest way to capture a full-page screenshot on your Mac without installing any extra apps. This works great when you need to capture a long web page that goes beyond what you can see on your screen. With Safari, we can use a built-in feature that lets us export the entire web page as a PDF. First, open Safari and go to the web page you want to capture. Next, click the File menu in the top left corner. Choose Export as PDF. Give your file a name, choose where to save it, and then click Save. Now you have a PDF that contains the full content of the web page from top to bottom. If you want an image instead, you can open that PDF in Preview and export it as a PNG or JPEG. Besides Safari, you can also use Google Chrome. In Chrome, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. Then press Command-Shift-P to open the command search bar. Type Capture, then choose Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Chrome will automatically generate a full-page PNG image. Choose where to save it, and save the file. And that's it. 2 of the quickest ways to capture full-page screenshots on your Mac without installing anything. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to support the Easy Tech Steps channel. Thanks for watching.